What's going on, guys? Just figured I'd post something on the vlog channel today. Bored, just putting a short up. If you're not aware, I don't know that I can switch the camera while I'm recording, but I can pause it and do that. This is our current situation in Kansas. Today, switch it back around. So there was places north of Topeka, over in Lawrence, I believe. They got about a foot of snow today, or last night, and we got about 6 inches here, and drifting over the highway. So if you have to travel and you're in Kansas, definitely be careful because it's bad.